Hi friends, so welcome to another episode of Crazy Confessional Stories of an Uber Lyft Driver, episode number 3. So I pulled up, picking up a passenger, opened the door, I'm smiling, she's smiling, and I'm like, hey, welcome to my car. And she looks at me through the door. Right away, the smile goes from her lovely smile to, oh my God, what am I looking at? What is that? Really bizarre. And immediately she just says, I gotta run back up into my house. I forgot something. Okay, I'll be right here. And I'm thinking, she's not coming back. That was really bizarre. And sure enough, as soon as she got back into her house, canceled the ride, that was that. I'm like, okay, I'll just get on with my day. And I took my happy self out of there and went looking for another passenger. So a couple minutes later, I get another ride request thing from her, and she cancels it right away. And another. And I don't know how long this went on for, but just over and over again, I'm cracking up laughing. It's like, oh my God, this is so bizarre. I've done over 2,000 rides, and this has never happened before where somebody just looked at me and was like, obviously she didn't like the way I look. Something about me is just my existence is so offensive. It was hilarious. Great free entertainment for the day, but it gets even better. So then she calls me on one of these times. She's like, you need to stop accepting my request. I don't want to ride with you. Your car is too small. I won't fit. And I'm like, ma'am, you're smaller than I am, and I fit in my car just fine. What are you talking about? I am so sorry that I am so offensive that my mere existence caused you to just cancel and run back into your house, which is fine. I hope you find a driver and your day is great. And that was about it. That was the whole conversation. And so we hung up then, and sure enough, a few minutes later, another one, and she cancels it right away. And then she hops on the other app, Uber or Lyft, one of the two. So now she's bouncing back and forth between the two, and apparently I am the only driver in Kenosha at this time for both Uber and Lyft. And oh my God, it gets better. So a few minutes later or so, she sends another request, but from a different location of about, I don't know, a half a mile away. So she's thinking she's going to get somebody else. And I guess I'm really the only one here in Kenosha because she kept getting the same person and she kept canceling over and over again. It's like, oh my God, I can't believe this is happening. And to this day, well over 2,000 rides into this, that's never happened before. That was so freaking funny. And I don't know if she missed an appointment or what, who knows? Oh my God, that was hilarious. So I wanted to share that with you, and I hope whatever this person's hang up is, she gets over it, because that is bizarre, man. So there you have it. And by the way, you want to see more of what I'm about? You want some free rides? There's always promotions going on with your first $20 or $15 or $20 worth of Lyft and Uber rides you can get for free. So go to my website, tomberkenmeyer.com, and you'll see your rideshare area. Or I bought topstardriver.com, topstardriver.com, pretty simple. Go there and you'll see links for free rides, and also if you want to be a driver, there's a sign-on bonuses. When I signed on, I got I think it was $700 worth of bonuses in addition to the regular commission I was making. Pretty cool deal. And every red cent that I make, I don't know why they call it a red cent, green cent, because it's positive profit. All of it goes towards my affordable housing project, and I donate a little bit to Gerson, the Gerson Institute, and the King's Ransom Foundation. I take zero for myself, and that's a big part of my story, and I always make sure that I tell it, because I've got other means of income that I built up starting over 10 years ago that covers all my bills. I have an online at-home business in the health and fitness and wellness industry. It's passive and it's residual money, so I can do what I want with other projects. For example, this one here. And so all this money that I'm making from the rideshare business, I put into those 3 places I just told you about instead of spending it and keeping it for myself. And I really enjoy doing that a lot, and I love telling that as part of my story. So if you want to see what I'm doing with my online at-home business in the wellness industry to cover me, then just ask me and I'll share it with you, and you can see if it would be a good fit for you too. I think you would love it if you're into health and fitness and passive and residual income, so you can do what you want with your time. Okay? So with that, I bid you farewell for now until the next one. Take care, everybody. Bye for now. Mwah. And feel free to share this and ask me any questions you have about ride sharing or anything else for that matter to doing with at-home business. or just questions in general. Bye for now.